you want to mount something onto brick, block, or concrete, you'll need some sort of concrete anchor. Tapcons are a light to medium duty concrete anchor. I'll be using the blue Climasil type to install a basement window.
There are a few types. Stainless steel, good for corrosive situations. White Tapcons are approved for use with pressure-treated lumber. Larger diameter flange max set. Choose the type that is correct for your situation. The embedment depth range is 1 to 1 3/4 inches. Use Tapcon's performance charts to choose the correct diameter anchor and spacing for the material in which you are installing the anchor.
Use the hammer drill setting on your drill,
or use a rotary hammer drill and a masonry drill bit long enough to drill a hole at least 1/4 inch longer than the anchor embedment depth.
The correct size drill bit is listed in fine print on the side of the Tapcon package. After marking the hole location to prevent the drill from walking, place the bit at your marking and give it a gentle tap a few times while rotating the drill. Mark the depth of the hole with a piece of painter's tape. Clean out any debris with a pipe cleaner or a brush, canned air, or a pump.
Or a blowout bulb.
If using a Phillips head anchor, be aware that screwdriver tips vary in size.
A number 2 Phillips tip is required for a 3/16 diameter anchor and a number 3 Phillips for the 1/4 inch diameter.
If the driver tip is slipping under torque, it's likely the wrong size tip is being used. To avoid stripping the anchor head, use the correct size tip. If using a drill to drive the anchor, don't forget to switch from hammer to rotation mode.
I'll be turning mine in by hand. Very little pressure is needed. Don't over tighten. Stop turning after you meet resistance. Continue to spin the fastener after it's fully embedded will compromise the holding strength.
The fasteners are removable, however, if you reinsert the same fastener back into the hole, its holding power will be greatly reduced.
I'm installing the Tapcon into soft, brittle cinder block. If installing into concrete, it won't be this easy, and a hex head may be a better choice.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.